This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, power adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a multi-function display, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hoblit Ford is located at 46 5th Street in Colusa. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.